Hi, in this video I will show you how you can split your screen on macOS, so then you can work with two apps side by side. It's pretty simple to do, and the first way how we can do this is you want to hold Option key on your keyboard. So I'm going to hold it, then select the app, and you will see this white outline on the left side or the right side. Depends where you move it. So if I move it right here and I'm gonna unpress, you can see it will snap to the half automatically. Now we can do the same with the other app. So I have this Chrome here. I can just hold Option key, drag my Google and drag it on the right side, and now it's perfectly split into windows or two screens. Now another way how you can split your screens on macOS. Maybe if you have multiple windows like me and you want to split them into thirds or quarters, there is a way to do it as well. We want to hover our mouse on this green icon, which is used to go to full screen, and it will show you all of those options. So you can split it on the halves like here, or you can use this fill arrange, and here you have thirds and quarters options. So if I choose these quarters, you can see each of my app is in the one corner like this. If I want to remove one of the screens, I can just select it, press on the X button, and now what I can do, I can drag the side of the other app to make thirds like this. So if you found this video helpful, how you can split your screens on macOS, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.